Dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Instagram not opening on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try to go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.